Hi, good morning children. Welcome to Friday's Art and Craft. We have been doing a lot of paper craft and just few weeks before we had done a little bit of painting and just forgot a little for a while. Now we are going back to painting. Okay, so get your paint bottles ready. We are going to do it this week. So we are going to do just a tree, and for doing that all I need is your fingertip. Okay, but before that also I want your parents to help you to draw one tree for you, or you can also try and draw the tree and paint it. Okay, so I'll tell you what are the things that you need for doing this tree painting. Come. You will need one chart for this. It cannot be a thin paper, it has to be a chart. And preferably you take lighter shades, okay, any pastel shades, very light shade. Here I have taken a kind of the flesh color, flesh tint, or you can call it the peach, okay, and I only need half of an A4 size paper, card, sorry, okay, you can even get this as card, A4 size card. I need half of it. Then I need a pencil for drawing, our paint bottles, painting brush, and some water to clean your brush, and your fingertips. Okay, just one fingertip will be enough. In the paper or the chart that you have cut out, I want you to make a pencil drawing of a tree like this, just the trunk and its branches. You can draw it, or you can ask your mother also to do it for you. Now we are going to paint the tree in black color. So I have kept the black bottle open. Wet your brush and dip into the bottle. If it is going to be a little thick and dried up, you can add little water to that and make sure that it is wet. Now just place it here and then get the outline done. After you get the outline done, you can give the painting color inside. Okay, this is my tree that I finished painting. Okay, use a thin brush for that. I used the same brush which was provided with the bottles, okay, that was sufficient for me to get these fine lines. Alternatively, there is also one material called brush pen. The brush pen is just like a sketch pen with a bigger point, okay, little thicker and longer point, and you can use it just like a sketch pen drawing, but it gives out the effect of paint. Just like a sketch pen it would look, but when you are using it, it gives out the paint, it gives out the texture of a paint. So if you want to try, for children to try painting, they can try that also, but let them try this also as well. I now need an orange color, but in your bottles there may not be an orange color. So you can get orange color by mixing red and yellow. Shall we see? You see that? Yes, that's a lighter shade of red. That should be better than a very dark red. Add more yellow if you wanted to make it a very light orange. Now watch what I am going to do. Once you have mixed the two colors together, make sure that they are mixed very well, okay? Then only the color, even color of orange will come out. Dip your finger in this paint, okay? And make an impression of that on this tree, on these edges of these branches. Continue making impressions like that, okay? You don't have to dip every time. Once I dip, I can make 3 impressions like that, 2 or 3, okay? Don't take too much also, just a little bit on your fingertip. Press. The more you press, the bigger it will be, okay? See that? So if I come inside, it's enough I give. Repeat pressing, okay? See, you have to make note of one thing. Your fingertip should be away from the branch. Like, I don't mean to say that you make it like this. If the branch is drawn like this, your finger also should be, your nail should be pointed in that direction. With your little fingers, you can make more beautiful designs. You can get tiny imprints also. So wherever there is empty place also, you can do it. All you need is just one color for this. Try and do with one color. So it should look like this. Do you like it? Yes, I leave it to you how much of leaves you want, or orange, red leaves you want on it, okay? If you want, you can try and give a little bit of green color also to this, green leaves also you want to it, but try once with one color itself. See, now I have made and so much of paint is going wasted for me. So you can actually try and do it with one itself. And if it comes out really beautiful, I would suggest you can even frame it and keep it in your house. Okay? So children, try and make your painting, okay? I'm very sure it will come out very well. Only thing that you have to take care of the tree. If the tree is done, means the rest of it is your magic. Just your little finger will do all the magic. Do you want to try it? It is so easy, is it not? I kind of finished it off in a minute. You can take your time. Don't hurry. Okay? Try and do it. Okay? If you were at school, I would have taken a photocopy of this tree and distributed to everyone so that you can dab on that photocopy. But now you are at home, you can try and paint the tree yourself, either with a brush, which is a little difficult for you, or for M1 children, please ask your mother to do it for you or your dad to do it for you. If you have brother also, they can do it for you. Easy way is there is something called a brush pen. It is just like the sketch pen, but it works like a, the texture feels very much like a paint. Okay? You can also try and frame and keep it in your house, or gift it to someone also. Okay? Okay children, bye bye. Have fun painting. I'll catch you in another video. Until then, ta-ta.